This river was once a lifeline. Now it's a graveyard of plastic and waste, choked, dying, forgotten. But we refuse to let it die. 40 volunteers, 7 days, one mission. Bring this river back to life. First, remove the plastic. Every bottle, every bag, every piece of trash pulled from the water. Then, clear the hyacinths. These plants choke the river, blocking sunlight and oxygen from the water. Day and night, the volunteers work. The river transforms before our eyes. Progress, hour by hour. The murky water begins to clear. Plastic disappears. Hyacinths vanish. The river is coming back. Sunlight breaks through the clouds. Fish return to the clean water. Life is returning. The ecosystem is healing. Fish swim freely. The river is alive again, thriving once more. This is what restoration looks like. A river restored, an ecosystem reborn. Look at this transformation. Pollution on the left, renewal on the right, from wasteland to flowing water. One river restored. Next, a coral reef. Subscribe to Biome Revival. Join the movement.